Master the magic of ordinal numbers in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to dive into an exciting aspect of English grammar. It's time to master the magic of ordinal numbers. By the end of this video, you will understand how to form and use ordinal numbers with saint, nd, road, and th endings. Let's get started. Firstly, let's clarify what ordinal numbers are. These are numbers that tell the position or order of things in a list. For instance, when you run a race, you might finish first, second, or third. Each of these words, first, second, third, are examples of ordinal numbers. The great news is forming ordinal numbers is quite straightforward. Most ordinal numbers end with th. However, there are a few exceptions. Here's the rule. For 1, we say first, and use the suffix street. For 2, we say second, and use the suffix nd. For 3, we say third, and use the suffix road. For all other numbers, we use the suffix th. This includes 4th, 5th, 6th, and so on. There are a few special cases. One should remember that we say 11th, not 'oneth, and 12th, not 'twath. Let's put our knowledge into practice and use these ordinal numbers in sentences. For example, he finished first in the race. My birthday is on the 2nd of June. This is the 3rd time I'm visiting this museum. She lives on the 4th floor. Remember, we typically use the definite article, the, before ordinal numbers, as in, the 1st, or the 4th. That's it for today's lesson on ordinal numbers in English. Remember, mastering these is key to expressing order or position in a sequence. They're used quite often in day-to-day conversation and writing. So, keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Until next time, keep learning, and keep practicing your English.